Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that Hong Kong's Bitcoin ETF model could be actually more bullish for the market than the US one, and it could come in the second quarter of this year. And what is this exactly? I tell you in the second. Then we have HSBC also in Hong Kong coming out with gold token for retail investors. So tokenized real world asset on blockchain could be a hot new thing. Then we have KuCoin exchange could be in trouble. There are some outflows and what's happening. I'm going to talk about that as well. And let's also talk about spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, because they are again positive. Last week it was negative, but now we are back to positive. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. So let's start it. Right, and when we're looking at the market, we can see that Bitcoin is actually now holding itself around 70,000, because 70,271 US dollar at the moment. Ethereum around 3,586 US dollar, also slightly moving down, but no major moves in either direction. We have Montel Network going up 40% almost, Sui 15%, Fetch AI 12%. Then we're looking at the losers, KuCoin. I'm going to talk about KuCoin. What's happening here? 15% down in the last 24 hours. Conflux 8% down. Kaspa 7%. So no major move in either direction. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see clearly that after this reverse head and shoulders, we have here a breakout, and the target of this would be here around the 74. But right now we got above 70,000, and we going sideways movements here. So we'll see how the market will react. But everything works out, then we can have another leg up. But now we doing some sideways movements. And now let's move on to the first topic. And this is all about Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong. Could come out soon. And this is a different model than in the United States. So we could see how bullish this whole Bitcoin spot ETF thing was in the United States, how it helped Bitcoin price. But now let's focus a little bit on Asia, and in Asia, Hong Kong, because Hong Kong in-kind ETF creation could be a significant market opportunity. So Hong Kong aims to enable in-kind creation and redemptions for spot Bitcoin ETFs in the second quarter. So pretty soon, Hong Kong's financial regulation aims to offer in-kind creation models for spot Bitcoin ETFs. So here we go. Hong Kong is aiming for an in-kind creation of the ETF, unlike the US, where the transaction is cash only. So in the US, it's cash in, Bitcoin ETF out, while Hong Kong aims for Bitcoin in, ETF out, and this could be an opportunity for the market. So this is what a couple of analysts are saying, also Eric Balchunas. And, Hong Kong and Asia could be also really hot thing. It's a big market. Some saying that actually could be bigger thing than ETFs in the US. I don't know what you think about this. You can let me know in the comment section. And also, when we're looking at Hong Kong, we have HSBC's golden token, which goes live for retail investors in Hong Kong. So HSBC is basically saying that they are the first bank to create a blockchain-based real-world asset aimed at retail investors. And this could be also a hot new thing. If you remember, here we have BlackRock recently talked about tokenized asset found on Ethereum. So tokenized assets could be big in the future, and in Hong Kong, HSBC also doing this right now for retail customers. So definitely moving towards this digital world in many kind of ways, but also the fact that the Bitcoin spot ETF coming out in Hong Kong, that could be actually hot as well. Right, then we have KuCoin exchange. We can see some outflows. The KuCoin token is going down. What's happening? I tell you in a second. Okay, so KuCoin. So crypto exchange KuCoin violated anti-money laundering laws according to US, and there they have US charges. So basically, crypto exchange KuCoin and two of its founders were charged with violating anti-money laundering laws by the US federal prosecutors. And here we go. So the US Department of Justice said in an indictment that KuCoin and two founders operated KuCoin as a money transmitting business with over 30 million customers, but did not implement the Know Your Customer, KYC, or AML program until 2023. And even then, its KYC program did not apply to existing customers. And this is the reason why they are in trouble. And what's going to happen, we don't know. We can see some outflows from KuCoin, what's always happening with exchanges in these kind of cases. It's possible that they simply get a fine and that was it. It happened many times. But please be aware of it that if you keep your crypto on exchanges, not your private key, not your crypto. So if whatever happens to KuCoin, your money, your crypto can stuck there. So always self-custody. I think that's very important. Use exchanges to do, exchange, or use DEXs, and you can avoid these kind of problems. But this is what's happening right now with KuCoin. Right, and now the third topic I would like to mention is all about the positive inflows in Bitcoin spot ETFs again. So we had, last week, which was kind of negative. There were more outflows than inflows into Bitcoin spot ETFs, but now this is changing. I think this one is actually showing it much better. So here we go. Here we had, these days when we had negative outflows, but as you can see on the 25th of March, we had tiny little bit more inflows and now back again. So more inflows, as you can see. 418 million net positive on the 26th. So it was yesterday. So this is now changing again. As I said, it's always temporary when we have these big outflows. Grayscale is the majority, the reason for it, put it this way, why this is happening. But they have now less and less and less Bitcoin. And it won't last forever. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. Sometimes I bring you longer videos, sometimes shorter videos, short videos. Anyway, bottom line is it's important for me that you are up to date in crypto. So if you would like to be, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.